The soybean milk has arrived. Let's have a sip. Yes, pretty. Let's try. 大馄饨 and the wood here, so it's fried dumpling. Yeah, right now we are at the Bryant Park, and as you can see, it's quite lively. There are a lot of people, and so we were just sitting here for a while and taking a rest after a lovely meal in a Chinese restaurant. And yeah, the stuff we ate was really good actually. The taste was quite Chinese, as you can tell. It's a Chinese restaurant. Taste from Shanghai, which I'm very familiar with. So I've been in Shanghai very many times and going to be. Right now we are on to our next location. We're going to buy some coffee, as I love good coffee. So we're gonna get some Hawaiian coffee, because where I live in Finland, it's basically you cannot really get that coffee, because while we are in the USA, in America, of course you can get the American coffee, and specifically the coffee from Hawaiian Island, which is lovely. That coffee is just amazing. So that's what we're gonna get, and then after that we will go to the Roosevelt Island. That's the plan, and then of course then there is still some activity in the evening. Yeah, stay tuned. And so we have arrived at the Roosevelt Island, and this island just beside the Manhattan. The Manhattan is right there in front of us, and so this is the Roosevelt Island. This is like quite peaceful residential island alongside the bustling area of the New York, the Manhattan. So I think that, like, if I ever were to live here, which I probably won't, because I'm still not keen of living these big cities so much, but I think this place would be like pretty good area for living if you wanted to live like close by to the New York City center, but then you still like would have the peaceful kind of neighborhood right here. So we are walking along the canal to the south of the Roosevelt Island, and just enjoying the local area, local neighborhoods, and just exploring like the New York City, kind of trying to explore it from the local perspective, in the sense that we are not like all the time always in the touristy attractions, which are always nice, but then there are a lot of people, so there's like some other angle to the New York itself. But yes, so we just keep walking. Not so many people here, just some people jogging. We are at the south point of the Roosevelt Island, in front of the Franklin Delano Roosevelt Hall. So we are at the south point. This is the view in here. Very nice. So we're taking the Roosevelt Island tramway.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Roosevelt Island Tramway.
进去就迷路，就是这个样子。
are now arriving at Manhattan Station. Thank you for riding the Roosevelt Island Tramway and have a great day.
So, we are now on our way to the top of the rock, which is our evening destination to try to catch the sunset on the New York City. But yeah, let's see, can we ever get to the top on time, because we're gonna have like quite a long time for queuing, but let's see. There is ice ring. That was totally unexpected. That's quite interesting because it's like quite warm. So it's like plus 10 or something like that. So they still have the ice. They have to keep it. They have to keep it like still freezing temperature there. I'm just going to queue here, probably like an hour. Let's see. Maybe see you now.
Dinosaurio.
Yes. Bye.